guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I filmed a Dollar Tree haul, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. Riley and I are hosting a Halloween party tomorrow for some of my friends and some of his friends actually too, and it's a BYOP party, a bring your own pumpkin party. So we're gonna carve some pumpkins, have some treats, watch Halloween movies in the background, and eat pumpkin shaped pizza. I'm super excited. So it kind of just sounds silly. It's just a fun get together for me and some of my work friends and then a couple of Riley's friends because they mesh. So I went to the Dollar Tree today with one of my friends and coworkers, and we picked out some cute decorations and just fun stuff for my house for the party. This is going to be a small haul, but I'm going to show you guys a clean and decorate with me before the party and like how the party's set up. So I wanted to make this video so that one wasn't too long, but this one might be a little shorter, so I'm sorry, bear with me. But a clean and decorate with me is coming on Saturday, and then the vlog for the party will be on Tuesday. So make sure that you're subscribed and turn your little bell notification on so you're notified when all of these videos are uploaded. And with that being said, let's just get into the stuff. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this spooky sign. It's for the front yard. It's gonna go just like in our grass, and I think it's so cute. I think it's super fun. It actually glows in the dark like this paint, and it has little googly eyes. Well, not googly, but just little eyes. I thought it was so cute. I couldn't decide between this one and the one that said Wicked with a little purple witch's hat because I feel like I'm a witch, but whatever. So we ended up choosing that one. I just think it's cuter. Then we got this bag. I think I spent $7 and like some change for the tax. So I'm gonna show you what I got. The first thing that I got is this tablecloth, and it's just black and then has like a little purple stripe with these polka dots. I actually grabbed this last minute. I had a pumpkin one and it was just too busy and too much, so I wanted to go a little classier. I mean, it's a pumpkin party. I don't think it's gonna be that classy, but just some cute black and white polka dots. And then I got this one, which has some pumpkins, but it's a lot toned down, or it's a lot more like toned down than the other one was, I guess. So it's purple with some fun little pumpkins. I'm sorry about the glare. And then just black. So since we're carving pumpkins, I'm gonna put one of those on my kitchen table and one of them on the counter so that we have enough space completely covered for everyone to carve pumpkins and the guts and everything to go. And then if I need to clean it up, I'm just gonna scoop that up and throw it away instead of like laying down paper towel or newspaper or whatever. I just thought $1 for each one, I don't care. Perfect. Then I got a little carving set. The knife I don't feel like will be very good, but I have a lot of knives and I'm fine to use all of my kitchen knives. I really just wanted this big scoop because my favorite part is like scooping out the stuff in the pumpkin, and then Riley does the carving, and then I like to paint my own pumpkins on the side. So I was really excited for the scoop in here, and I mean, it was $1. Then this one I had a little trouble with. I couldn't decide what I wanted. There were some really cute like plastic cups that came in a pack of 4 and were usable, and it said eat, drink, and be scary. Oh my gosh, you guys, like literally that's the cutest. But then I ended up getting this pack of 14 cups. They're just little like jack-o'-lanterns, which I love. Paper cups, so we can just throw them away, not worry about it, and not have to do any dishes after the party because we are hosting it at my house and I'm notorious for hating dishes, so paper it is. Also, I'm really happy that they're not plastic or styrofoam. They're paper, so I feel like they'll be a little bit easier to break down in landfills or whatever. Just not styrofoam because those suck. Then, since we're having pizza and pumpkin chocolate chip cookies and like pumpkin themed, Halloween themed treats, I got some cute plates, again, to not do dishes. And I love these. There's 18 in here, and I think there's gonna be like at the max 9 people. So definitely enough. Then one of the snacks that we're also having is just chips. Obviously someone's gonna bring chips. So I thought this was perfect for now and then for when we have trick-or-treaters. So $1 again, and it's just this cute little orange, big bowl. And it just says happy hauntings, and it has like that little like scene. I love it. So we'll put some chips in here and then just like lay it out. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm sorry this video doesn't have very many like ideas or sneak peeks. When I'm editing it, if I can, I'll throw in some sneak peeks as I'm like setting this up, because it's 8:40 and I still have to deep clean my house. Like, I'm talking clean everything, put everything away, and get this stuff kind of set up. Two of my friends are gonna come over and we're gonna like make the pizzas or just like start baking the pizzas and then set up and get things ready. So I want to like be able to decorate and do that kind of stuff with them, but I also like want to have it like in the right places so when I come home from work I can get ready and go. Anyways, I'm super excited, so make sure to tune in to my clean and decorate with me so you guys can see how I'm preparing for our Halloween party, and then definitely come back on Tuesday to watch that vlog so you can see what all the pumpkins look like and just like the fun weekend that we have. It might roll over into the weekend as my weekend vlogs always do. They go multiple days. But yeah, I'm just so excited for this. We've been planning it for a couple weeks, so I'm really happy that it's tomorrow and that it's all coming together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little Dollar Tree haul. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite holiday is, and if it's Halloween, tell me like what your favorite part of Halloween is. Like, is it the trick-or-treating? Is it the decorating? Is it the beforehand? Is it the pumpkins? Is it the pumpkin flavor everything? Is it the candy? Tell me down below so I can chat with you guys. I love you, and I will see you in Saturday's video. Bye.